occasion of World Environment Day, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi criticized the centre's proposed Great Nicobar development project, alleging that it prioritizes commercial interests over environmental conservation and the rights of local communities. In a post on X, Gandhi asked the youth of the country what kind of India they wanted in the future. One where rainforests are destroyed, coral reefs disappear, tribal communities are displaced and the environment is damaged. Or one where natural heritage is preserved, tribal communities are protected and development takes place in harmony with nature. Gandhi alleged that the project would result in the cutting down of 1.5 crore trees, the displacement of tribal communities and military personnel, and damage to coral reefs. He also claimed that coral reefs had been removed from official maps and accused the government of facilitating commercial development in an ecologically sensitive region. The Congress leader recently visited Indira Point, the southernmost tip of India, where he interacted with tribal communities and settlers living on Great Nicobar Island. He alleged that tribal residents were losing their land due to violations of the Forest Rights Act, while settlers, including former servicemen relocated to the island by the government, were not receiving fair compensation. Questioning the centre's justification for the project, Gandhi said that if national security was a primary objective, the government should focus on expanding INS Bas, the Indian Navy's air station in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. He claimed that the Navy had been seeking the expansion of the facility for the past 5 years, but the proposal had not been acted upon. He also rejected the argument that the project is required for a transshipment port, pointing out that a similar facility is already under development in Kerala. Emphasizing sustainable development, Gandhi said Great Nicobar has the potential to become a global model for eco-friendly tourism and conservation. He added that development and environmental protection should go hand in hand and described his vision as one of the ecologically balanced development. So viewers, let's save nature before it's too late, because every action today protects our earth tomorrow. Save earth, save nature. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.